Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. It is Thursday the 13th, Vlogmas day 13, and I'm just about to leave for work. Here's my outfit for the day. I just have an oversized sweater, black leggings, and then I have some little leopard booties on, so I am all set. I don't know if I'm gonna wear a coat as well. I think it's like in the 60s, which for me is so cold. So I'm gonna head out the door now. It's about 7:35, so I like to be out the door by 7:30, so I'm running a couple minutes late. It's funny how just a couple of minutes can make such a difference in terms of traffic. I swear if you don't leave in that right window, like, you're done for. So I'm gonna head out right now. I will see you guys when I get home. Do I have the cutest little puppies? Do I have the cutest little puppies? Hi, Rosie. Minnie's facing the corner. Minnie! Hi, Minnie! Oh, are you tired? So I'm making dinner right now. I'm about to pop this in the oven. This is the exact same thing I made last night. I forgot to show you guys what it all looked like, but I have a piece of flounder, and then I have 2 biscuits. Last time I only had 1, but why not? I'm gonna have 2. And then these are just some chopped up carrots, drizzled with olive oil, and then coated with some pepper and salt. So that will be really good. I'm gonna pop this in the oven. It should probably take about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so for everything to be done. So yes, this looks delicious. I can't wait. I'm just eating dinner. I forgot to take a clip of what it looked like before, but I also had a piece of flounder. I had 1 of those sweet Hawaiian biscuits, really good, and now I'm eating my roasted carrots. And these had to go in longer, and then they got mixed in with the olive oil. I had drizzled a little bit of olive oil on them, but then the olive oil from the fish like went in, and then it was like too much oil. And I just took them out of the oven and the fire alarms went off. The dogs are freaking out, so I feel really bad, but I just tasted them and they're delicious. I got this idea, not that roasted carrots are like an idea or like recently invented or anything like that, but Steven and I made a Blue Apron meal the other night with these, and it was so good and so easy. So I'm like on a carrot kick right now. So anyway, I'm gonna eat these. I'm going to continue watching my shows. I'm catching up on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I love that show. So yeah, that's what's going on. So for a little dessert, I'm going to be making, or I just started making a medicine ball. They make this at Starbucks. So I looked up to see what was in it, and I'm gonna try to make it myself. Hopefully it tastes the same. So I just did half a cup of water, put it in the microwave, and then put 2 tea bags. And this is the exact tea that they use from Teavana. It's the Jade Citrus Mint, and then the Peach Tranquility. Is that gonna focus? I apologize, guys. I'm having such a hard time focusing lately. I don't know like what the heck's going on. There it is. So you just take 1 of those, or 1 of each of those, steep it for a little bit. I'll let that sit for a couple minutes. And then I made some Crystal Light lemonade. Hopefully it tastes the same. I didn't want to do like full sugar lemonade. And then I'll just fill up the cup with the lemonade, probably put it back in the microwave so that it's like really, really hot. And then I hope that it tastes the same. So I'm very excited because these are, I don't know, I feel like they charge you a different price every time you go to Starbucks depending on who you get. Like sometimes they charge you for just a regular tea, in which case I'm super happy because then it's like $2. But then other times they've tried to charge me like $5 for this drink. So hopefully it tastes just as good, and I'm drinking it out of my big mug. It doesn't look big, but it's huge. And I'm watching a Hallmark movie. And that's about it. It's about 9:30. I'm gonna try to have an early night tonight. That way I can get up early tomorrow morning with no trouble. These past couple of days, I look horrible. But these past couple of days, I've had such a hard time getting up. And I've had to like take a nap after work. Like I'm that tired. So anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, you guys. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.